Today I'm going to give a demo of helmet and number plate detection using yolo algorithm. So the main objective of this project is to detect whether the person is wearing helmet or not, and also it will detect vehicle number plates. So this is the workflow diagram of helmet detection and number plate. So this initially we have collected the data set of helmet and number plate. After second stage is pre-processing, and next we'll go for the pre-trained model of using YOLO. Later we'll go for the prediction. So now we go for the code. So this is the data set we have collected. So here we can see the person is wearing helmet, and also can see the person not wearing the helmet. We can see also the number plate detection images. So here we are using CV2 library to display the images and matplotlib for to display the images in graphical representation. And here we are using YOLO algorithm for to detect segment detection and number plate. And TK-NTR is used for to GI purpose. And here we are using dictionary data type for class names like helmet, license plate, no helmet. And here we are using pre-trained model of YOLO. So now run the model. So this is the GUI part of helmet and number plate detection. Now if I click on this upload button, you can select the dataset to any one of the images from this dataset. So here we can see the person wearing helmet. It will display. We'll check for one more input. So here you can see the person is wearing helmet and it is also displaying license plate. So here we can see one more input. The person is not wearing the helmet and also license plate.